Hey y'all, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Danielle. Welcome to the family. Really quick, we're doing something really different here, something really fun. As you guys know, we recently went to Jamaica. Dream trip, absolutely beautiful. Couldn't have had it any better. But we did put a travel vlog out. If you haven't seen that yet, it'll be up here so you can go check it out. But I thought there were so many incredible pictures that were taken. So why not do a travel vlog, but through the photos that we took, through the lens of, I guess, of our iPhones. And so I thought I would share that here. This is the first time I'm ever doing it. I hope you guys like it. But yeah, here's our photo vlog from our trip. I hope you guys liked that video. If you did, please comment it down below so I know, because maybe something we can try for other trips that we do. But please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I will see you guys back here next time. Bye, y'all.